You can't come with me.
I can't go with Japan. I can't come with you. I can't explore the world. What should I do then? Why am I here? Just to suffer.
Okay, fine. Stop your drama. You can come with me.
Great.
Meanwhile,
You can go now, America. We are friends now. Why are you still here?
Okay, okay. I am going.
Hello, Soviet Union.
What are you doing here, India?
I must ask you the same question.
Is this you, Pakistan?
Hello, Soviet Union.
I also said, hi, Soviet Union.
Go from here, India. I don't want to talk to you.
You go from here, India.
Shut up, USA.
How can you talk to America like that? India has changed now. Don't expect good behavior from India.
Just shut up your mouth, America.
You were right, India. The world has changed now. You and USA used to be good friends. Being friends with India was my mistake.
This was never about me versus America. Soviet Union is upset, and this. America is taking advantage of this.
You all go from here. I just want peace for a while.
Dragon successfully completed his mission, Soviet Union. We should forget the past and build the future.
I am tired of hearing this dialogue again and again. GeoWolf, change your dialogues.
You know GeoWolf, Soviet Union.
Of course, we all do.
GeoWolf?
For God's sake, tell me who GeoWolf is.
Maybe not all of us know about GeoWolf.
Maybe you're right.
Forget about GeoWolf and go from here, India and Pakistan.
This is not your land, and you can't tell me what to do.
Don't force me to use my military power.
shout out to